Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you have ever wondered if it is possible to clear the CPC exam without enrolling in expensive courses, then you are in the right place. Today, I'm going to share with you my personal journey on how I cleared the CPC exam through self-study. I know what you're thinking. Medical coding is a complex field, but trust me, I was in your shoes not too long ago. It took hard work, discipline, and the right strategy, but it's totally possible. I'm sure to break down exactly how I did it. Let me take you back to the beginning. When I first decided to pursue medical coding, I had no formal experience. First, why I chose self study? Let me tell you why I decided to self study instead of enrolling in a course. Like many of you, I was not sure if I could do this exam on my own. I started by thinking, do I have enough knowledge in coding? Will I be able to understand all the terms in medical building things? Really? But then I remembered my strong foundation in anatomy and physiology from my biomedical engineering background. This gave me a huge advantage because understanding the human body is crucial for coding medical procedures correctly, right? Once I realized this, everything started to make sense. And I wanted flexibility, control over my pace, and the ability to focus on the topics that I struggled with the most. So, for me, self study allowed me to design my own study schedule and adapt it according to my strengths and weakness. So, that's why I chose self study. So, the first thing is to make your own schedule. So, next, you have to create a study plan. So, how I created a study plan? I started by breaking down the entire syllabus into smaller, manageable sections. This helped me stay organized and focused. Here is a tip. I used a weekly calendar to track my progress, ensuring that I dedicated enough time to each topic. Next, resources. What you are going to use is very important here. I utilized a combination of resources. I made sure to refer to the latest edition of the CPC exam books and took mock exams to practice myself with the pattern. I also found online courses and study groups to be super helpful. You'll be amazed by how much you can learn from others who are going through the same thing. You know, to be frank, in sometimes self study is not easy. I faced a lot of distractions, and some topics were really tough for me, but I kept pushing through using techniques like spaced repetition and active recall to help me retain information. One major hurdle was time management, but I set small achievable goals each day. This kept me motivated and gave me a sense of accomplishment. So I passed the exam on my first attempt, and I believe you can do it too with the right strategy and mindset. So, if you are watching this and you feel like you're stuck or that you don't have the resources, I want you to stop doubting yourself right now. Remember, no matter your background, no matter where you are from, only thing you need is all the right mindset, dedication, and a little bit of guidance. I have created this channel to help you. I'm sharing everything I learned during my CPC journey. I believe in sharing knowledge with people across the globe, especially those in countries where access to education might be limited. If this video helped you, or if you are inspired by my journey, please hit that subscribe button. Got any questions or doubts about your CPC exam preparation? Drop them in the comments and I'll be happy to help you out in future videos. Thank you. Bye bye.